Revolutionize your course creation journey with my free CourseHub AI workshop. Your next AI course creator application. Introducing the MMGVision Course Hub AI. Hi, this is Peter Newell, founder and CEO of MMGVision. I'm proud to say that I not only introduce great AI-driven software, trusted by thousands of course creators worldwide, but I'm also committed to providing the kind of support that should go along with buying and using such software. This quick message is for you if you're a course creator, you're aspiring to create courses, or you're curious about AI education tools and you want to leverage the use of AI. I've too often seen solopreneurs and entrepreneurs purchase attractive software to leave it on the sidelines, to gather dust and be forgotten. As the owner and operator of 20 plus AI-driven software solutions, I refuse to sell my software today without at least offering assistance or a support structure to help my customers use the software. And that's where I shine, by providing the hand-holding and support most entrepreneurs desperately want and need. Here are two quick examples of happy customers who participated in my hands-on contest builder workshops.
I have been so blessed to get to hang out for 6 weeks with Peter Newell of MMGVision. He creates the best trainings on how to show up online. This one has been about creating a contest. And although I'm not quite ready to throw a contest out in the world, I am so much more equipped and can't wait to put it out there. I am Sandy from Sales Excellence Elite, and I cannot suggest anyone more equipped and more eager to help you with your online business than Peter Newell from MMGVision.
Hey there, I'm Bonita. I cannot thank Peter Newell enough for all the cool software that he keeps offering up. Ask him, you got a problem you need software for, ask him, he probably has it. He just finished teaching me how to use the contest software, and it's really cool. I can't wait to roll it out and have it start getting clients for me. The best thing about it all is not only does he offer you the software, he teaches you how to use it, and that's what I desperately needed. So thank you so much, Peter. I appreciate your efforts.
With your permission, of course, at the end of this free workshop, I will be making a very special limited time offer for those who purchase my offer. This is why the current 1 hour workshop is free. It's because I'm creating a done with you offer to go along with my AI Course Hub creator software that fills a specific need. So let me ask you, do you plan on creating a course in the near future? Are you struggling to create one right now? What if I could offer you an AI course creator that would make your life so much simpler when it comes time to creating your next course? And to make it even more interesting, what if I offered to build your course with you inside of 2 private one-on-one 1 hour Zoom sessions? So you not only get the lifetime license to the software worth thousands of dollars on its own, but also the needed hand-holding and the result of completing your first course. Would that be something that might interest you? If so, just click the free live Zoom workshop here now while seats still remain and register for my March 27th free workshop at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 1 p.m. Eastern. Come meet my CourseHub AI creator. Find out about this ingenious AI-powered course creation platform, how to build complete professional online courses in a fraction of the time using intelligent AI assistance. Get a bird's eye view of my AI course generator and how easy it is to use, my smart document builder, and with outputs ready to publish your course content. In the workshop, I'll be diving directly into the software to give you a solid understanding of its components, including instant course outlines and full lesson content. You'll also see where you'll be saving hours of work in course creation time. But as a teaser, let me tell you now that this incredible AI software can also automatically generate several valuable add-ons at the click of a button when you offer your paid courses. And they are student handbooks, quick reference guides, frequently asked question documents, module checklists, and of course the course workbooks. These added value features alone are unlike anything you've ever seen before. And you're going to get to see them during the workshop. I take pride in telling you that you will be pleasantly surprised when you join me in this 1-hour workshop. Your time will be rewarded. At the end of your free workshop, you're going to walk away knowing everything you need to know to launch your next free or paid courses, including a complete AI building course overview, a free live hands-on experiential understanding of my CourseHub AI software, a full student resource kit, and with the Done With You, should you choose to go for it, you'll get 2 one-on-one build sessions valued at $997 US, as well as lifetime access to the software itself valued at $1,997 USD. Bottom line, you'll get a clear path from idea to live course building system. So click on the red button now and register for the 27th of March today. I look forward to seeing you on the inside, Friday the 27th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Take care. Bye for now.